Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working in smart TV. If you put wrong software in your TV or due to some other reason if your Wi-Fi not working, then I will show you how to fix this and stream your TV. I have put the wrong software in this TV. It is not of same model. You can see that on the left corner of your screen it was before. It has Bluetooth supports and on the top it is showing different. Also, the memory of new software is 4 GB and old was 8 GB. You can see that. Now I go into the network options and select here wireless. But you see it is not working. It can't stay on the wireless network. How to fix this? We need a Ethernet cable. Then connect its one side to the Wi-Fi router and other side to the TV. This is TV backside and I have connected it. I will show you. Here is the Ethernet connector, viewers. You are watching, it is connected. So viewers, we don't need Wi-Fi now. Also our Wi-Fi was not working due to wrong software. Now I will go in the settings and show you the network. Here guys, you can see that wire network is connected. It is showing connected. So our network is connected now. Now I will go back and check YouTube for you. Is it working or not? YouTube app is open now. I will select any video and check if it is working. Guys, you are watching, our YouTube is working and our network issue has been solved. So like the video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.